When you're driving up a hill, you want to help the engine perform its best. The RV is very heavy to begin with, so putting it into a lower gear will not only help you get more power out of your engine and go faster, it's also better for the health of the vehicle. In order to downshift, release your foot off the gas and tap the gear shifter to the left. Be sure not to hold the gear shifter. And now you see that you're in fourth gear. If you need a little bit more power than that, you can tap to the left again, and now you're in third gear. Again, remember to release your foot off the gas pedal every time you want to change gears. As you switch gears, pay close attention to your RPMs. You have to keep it out of the red, so keep it below 40, otherwise you risk overheating the engine. If you see the RPMs getting too close to the red, go ahead and upshift so you can go back to fourth gear if you're in third, or go back to drive if you're in fourth gear. Another important thing to note about driving uphill is that you actually want to release your foot all the way off the gas pedal every few minutes. I like to do it about every 2 minutes or so. It allows the transmission to switch gears and do like a mini reset. When you're back on a flat road, you can shift the RV back to auto by tapping the gear shifter to the right. It's also helpful to put the RV into a lower gear when you're driving downhill. It helps to slow down the RV using the engine so that you don't have to ride the brakes so hard.